So another area that takes up a lot of time and can be very stressful is recruitment, as I'm sure you can appreciate and understand yourself from your own experience. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to demo the recruitment element of the AI assistant that will help you save a lot of time. As you can see down here at the bottom, very simply, I want to find out what the best recruitment process is. That's all built into the back end, proven recruitment system that we have, and that I've fine-tuned over the years using it and testing and measuring it with lots and lots of landscape businesses and garden design businesses around the UK. As you can see, you've got the prompt in the bottom here: create a recruitment process for us to use for the recruitment of a skilled landscaper. Now let's see what it does. Don't know if you've got a process yet or if your process is as good as it should be. If you don't get the results that you really are looking for, then use this, because this is proven and tried and tested. As you can see here, gives you the first stage: define the role and make sure that it's values led. It's all about the attitude of the person. So if you haven't got your own values, your company core values set up yet, then we need to work on that. The AI assistant can help you with that. But for now, let's just focus on the recruitment element. So the different stages: people apply, you screen that, you must get the candidate to record themselves on a video, answering 3 very simple questions, the most important part of the whole process, in my opinion. And people do it. The people that really are really want to work for you will do whatever it takes. If they don't do this stage, then they're going to be they're out of the game. So they're deselected, or they deselect themselves by not doing what you want them to do. So just going through the various stages here. You've got a whole structured interview process. You can ask it to create you a whole bunch of interview questions if you want, but for now, I'm just going to show you the overview of the process. As you can see, it gives you what the proven steps are, as opposed to a bit of a scattergun approach or doing it the way you've always done it because that's the only way. So anyway, that gives you the overview. What I'm now going to do is I want to create a job description for this role. So I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to paste in here what we need it to do. Create me a full job description first for this role. Then we're going to ask it to create an advert for us. So this will give us the job description. Now this is pulled from the background. This is in the recruitment master document. So it actually shows you exactly how to create the right job description with the right information. As you can see here, within seconds, it's created that whole job description. If it gives you 80, 90, 95% of it, then you can just tweak and edit things in or out. There we go. That's that. Now we want to create an advert for this role so that you can use this on Indeed or wherever you currently advertise for these roles. Now, these adverts have been proven to work and they've been refined over the last, I don't know how many years, 12, 15 years of coaching landscapers. So let's see what it spits out. Gives you the advert. This is really about the personal part, who you like, who you want to appeal to, and who you want to repel. People that, are probably the kind of people that you wouldn't want working for you. There we go. There is an advert. And now we can maybe create, let's say you've been successful, you've found your dream skilled landscaper. Now we want to make sure that we induct them properly. So we want to pre-start a checklist first so that we're all prepared for when they do start. So here we go. You've got all the elements that you need to have in place, all your legal requirements. Get ready for health and safety, risk readiness. As you can see, lots of detail in there, things that you may not even considered before. So that's done that. Now let's add in here, we want them to really get inducted quickly. So instead of taking 3, 6, 12 weeks to be up to speed, we want to get them up to speed in 3, 6, 12 days. So create a detailed 3-month induction plan with the main emphasis on the first 2 weeks. So let's see what it gives us. And here we go. Generalized induction principles. And then first 14 days, day 1, days 2 to 3, just fully structured. Everything's covered, very thorough, nothing left to chance. You just literally follow a process, set this up as a system, as the induction system for your business, and then you roll it out each time. You can do this with each level of employee as well. So whether it's an operative, whether it's semi-skilled, whether it's a project manager, whether it's a salesperson, whether it's admin, whether it's finance, whatever it is, you can get it to tailor it to whatever position you are recruiting for. So that's a brief overview of the recruitment process, creating a job description, an advert, pre-checklist, start checklist, and the induction for the first 3 months. I'm sure that will take you a lot longer than it's just taken us to do that on this video, but hopefully you found it useful and you can see the power of this AI assistant tool. The biggest benefit, as I say often, is just the time you get back. How much time have you saved there and how much less stress is it causing for you? Anyway, hope you found that useful.